Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali, and in today's video, we'll share 4 methods that will help you easily make purchases on Amazon using Cash App without a Cash App card. As you may already know, Cash App isn't directly accepted on Amazon. You can either use a Cash App card or a linked bank account to make purchases on Amazon. Since Cash App is not a bank but a financial app, it cannot be directly used to buy items on Amazon. After conducting thorough research, we found 4 methods that allow you to use Cash App on Amazon without needing a card. Look at this article titled, How to Use Cash App on Amazon Without a Card. It's available on the website Cabbage Loan Guide. On the right-hand side, you'll find hundreds of articles related to Cash App. As we scroll through this article, we see several questions about using Cash App on Amazon. One of the questions is, can you use a Cash App card on Amazon? The article mentions that yes, you can use a Cash App card on Amazon because the card works like a regular debit card. Scrolling further down, we see another question. Can you use Cash App on Amazon without a card? The article says, yes, you can use Cash App on Amazon without a card, but there isn't a direct integration. This means Cash App cannot be used directly on Amazon since there's no direct integration. Cash App isn't a bank, so it cannot be directly linked to Amazon. However, the article says yes, because it provides some indirect methods that allow you to use Cash App balance for purchases on Amazon. Scrolling further down, we find the main subheading you click this video for. How to use Cash App on Amazon without a card. Here's what it says. If you want to use Cash App on Amazon without a card, you can follow 4 effective methods. These methods are officially launched by Amazon and are relatively easy to use. However, it's essential to check if these services are available in your country. As of now, they are confirmed to work in the United States. Method 1. Amazon Cash. Amazon Cash allows you to add funds to your Amazon account by visiting any Amazon store. If your Cash App balance is already available, you can make direct payments at the Amazon store by providing your mobile number or scanning the cash tag. The amount will be added to your Amazon account, and you can use your Cash App balance on Amazon without a card. Method 2. Amazon Pay Code. This method is suitable when you want to order items on Amazon and your balance is in Cash App, but you don't have a Cash App card. Here's how it works. Select the items you want to purchase on Amazon and proceed to the payment section. Choose the Amazon Pay Code option. A code will be generated. Take note of it. Visit a nearby agent based on the provided link, which includes the agent's location. Pay the agent using Cash App. Show the generated code and your ID proof to the Amazon agent. After payment, upload the receipt on the Amazon portal to continue your order. Method 3. Amazon Gift Card. Another way to make purchases on Amazon without a card is by using your Cash App balance to buy an Amazon gift card. Follow these steps. Open Cash App and ensure you have sufficient balance. Navigate to the Cash Card or Cash section. Tap on the option to purchase a gift card. Choose Amazon as the retailer. Select the desired amount for the gift card. Complete the transaction and the gift card details will be displayed. Copy or note down the gift card details. Go to Amazon, add items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Instead of selecting a card, choose the option to apply a gift card. Enter the Amazon gift card details from Cash App and complete the purchase. Method 4. Transferring Cash App balance to a bank. If you prefer not to use a card at all, you can transfer your Cash App balance to your linked bank account. Once the balance is in your bank account, you can use any preferred payment method on Amazon, bypassing the need for a direct card payment. You can use another debit card from your bank, or even net banking. Scrolling further down in the article, you'll find 2 additional options for transferring funds from Amazon to Cash App. If you'd like to read this detailed article, the link is provided in the description. So by using any of these 4 methods, you can easily make purchases on Amazon using the balance in your Cash App account. We've shared 4 methods because each method works in different situations. Choose the one that works best for you. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.